In this video, we're going to learn about the associative property of multiplication. So let's look at the definition of what that means. And what it means is the way in which three or more terms are grouped does not change the result. And the result of multiplying numbers together is called a product. Okay, so how does that look in terms of numbers? It'll look like this. So we have at least three terms here. So you could have more, but we're just going to look at these three. So we have brackets around this 7 times 2. So we do that operation first. 7 times 2 is 14. And then we finish off with the final multiplication times 2. So then 14 times 2 is equal to 28. So with the associative property, we can multiply these two terms first. We would get 4, and then we multiply it by 7. 7 times 4 is 28. So the associative property is telling us that it doesn't matter what order you multiply them in, you will get the same number. And if you have trouble with that, just look at this video again. You're probably one explanation away from understanding it.